What's up guys, we're back. In today's video we're gonna test a car cover for the Supra. This one is waterproof and we're gonna test that, okay? Let's see that if this car cover is worth it. Let's do it. Okay, so the car cover is on the car, so it looks good. If it's good, it doesn't hang a lot on the front or the rear. I think it's perfect, the size, because it has these strings, this one. Plastics is for the tires, for the wheels. You can put that on the wheel so it doesn't fly away. One thing I don't like, this one, okay? This is for the lock that I show you, but this one you can scratch the car, so I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut this because I don't need that. I'm gonna use these strings to attach them to the wheel, okay? So I'm gonna cut those. There's one here and one on the other side. I'm gonna cut this one. I don't need that. I don't want this to scratch the car. Okay, I found a better way to fix this. Okay, with the pliers I opened the metal for this, and then I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna remove this metal, and you can use this one with the lock in here, and this one is not gonna scratch the paint of the car. That's amazing. Okay, just remove this thing and that's it. You will fix this one. No more scratches. Cool. And let's see the inside. Let me show you. It has this reflective line. That's good. This is the inside. It's thin, okay, just to let you know. It's not that thick. It's pretty thin, but it's soft. On the inside is soft, but it's still plastic. Soft plastic on the inside. Okay, yeah. So now let's do the water test. Let's spray some water on the top and let's see if it's waterproof. Let's do that next. Okay, the moment of the truth. As you can see, it's dry. So it is waterproof, so it's amazing that, especially for this time of the year that we're gonna expect more rain, some places snow, and for me the tree sap is gonna protect for that. Okay, but remember, this is an economic car cover. Okay, there are better ones out there, but for those you have to pay more. I think for the price this one is great. So this one has a zipper here all the way down, so you forgot something on your car, you don't want to remove the full car cover, you can open it here and open your door and get your stuff, and you don't have to remove the car cover. That's a nice feature for this car cover. That's nice. It's amazing. It has a zipper on the side, waterproof. It's thin, yes, it is thin. The thickness of this one is not that thick, but it's okay. It's soft on the inside. That's good. And especially I'm doing this because I'm gonna change the wrap on my car and I want to protect it. This is a wrap, so I'm gonna change it to a new color. So expect that video coming soon. Okay, and this is how I like to fold the car cover, so that the next time that I use the cover, I know which direction to fold it and to unfold it. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about the cover. The link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below. So this is the Nilight car cover, and it's around $45 depending on the size. They have different sizes. I'm gonna put the link on the description of the video down below. They have it for cars and for SUVs. Okay, so you can select the one you want for your car. Okay, I recommend it. It's an economic car cover, remember. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.